Hey guys, welcome back. Oh, I'm lagging to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create baby from Saja Boy's on Dress to Impress. For his hair, we're going to use this one in this color 8AA5A1. Position the Z to 0.47 and rotate the X to 0.49. Grab this hair. Oh, wrong hair. Grab this hair and do the same with the color. No adjustments needed. Grab this hat over here and put it on. Color it EBA44D, position the Y at 0.48, Z 0.32, rotate the X to 0.41, Y 0.28, Z 0.48, and scale it to 0.66. For the outfit, we're going to use this first in this like pink color, D55C9B, turn off logo, and for the sleeves, we're going to color it this blue color, 9EB3FF. I think I might make the blue a little bit darker so you guys can see the sleeves a little bit better. Grab this cardigan and also color it the same like pink, D55C9B. For the pants, we're going to put on these purple pants. I don't remember which one I used. I think I used this one in this purple color, 774E8F. And then for the shoes, we're going to use these ones in white. And then I think I did this pinkish color, or this one. I think I did purple 774. Actually, I think I did this C94DB6, and then this green 588772, and then the purple for the laces 5F4891. And that is it. That is how you can create baby from Saja Boys. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.